Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ashad and I got this wolf. His name is Blizzard and I chomp and growl. I react to your touch. I'm alive, moving head and ears. My name is Blizzard here and I have ice in my veins. Yeah, can I open it? I saw it on TV and I really wanted it. And it's a fingertip, as you can see, someone's doing it. And let's open it. It's for age 5 and up. And yeah. It is out of the box. Look at the box. And this is an on switch. And you have to put this on your finger like this, and it moves his head and opens his mouth. It feels hard. It feels plasticky. And yeah. And if you move the tail as well, it makes a sad noise. The instructions, and this is how you make it work. So if you blow in his face, he sneezes. He's not doing anything. Oh, I know why. I turned him off, that's why.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Beep, beep, beep.
Look inside of it.
That's a growling sound. Okay. He makes a growling sound and he shuts his eyes. And he sneezes. Okay. And so you put him on your finger. Oh yeah. And if you do this, he falls asleep. Here. So if you want to wake him up, you clap the wake now. So if the eyes are gonna shut now. The eyes shut. He's asleep now.
He's not.
He's not. He's not asleep. And he has these. Oh my god. He's still asleep. Alright. That's his head, and he makes growling sounds. That's my favorite part of it. And the best thing you do, just the fun thing, you just put him on your finger, carrying him around. Bye guys.
That's it.
Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. How do you do it? There. Bye.